High above tropical rainforests lives one of the world's strangest kangaroos, the remarkable tree kangaroo, Dendrolagus goodfellowi. Unlike ground-dwelling kangaroos, tree kangaroos have evolved strong limbs and flexible ankles, perfectly adapted for climbing. Their varied diet of leaves, fruits, flowers, and moss allows them to thrive high within rainforest canopies. Like all kangaroos, the tiny joey is born extremely underdeveloped and completes most of its growth inside the pouch. Tree kangaroos can leap impressive distances between branches and even survive jumps from surprisingly great heights to the forest floor. After leaving the pouch, young tree kangaroos remain close to their mothers while learning the complex skills of canopy life.
Protecting tropical rainforests is essential because habitat loss remains one of the greatest threats facing many tree kangaroo species.
The tree kangaroo strengthens another remarkable branch of Earth's mammal family. Next, we meet the agile and spotted quoll.